And so when we sat down, that's when I believe, if I remember correctly, I told the young lady, I said, he changed our paper. He turned in something that wasn't what we agreed upon. So when I showed her what he turned in, she was like, this isn't what we said. This doesn't have the things that the professor said that we needed to have. And she was like, I can't get a bad grade in this. Like, she needed a certain grade in order to not just pass the class, but to make sure that she wasn't going to be in any academic probation type situation. And so when I left that class, I called my mother. And when I tell you, I cried. I cried. And I was just like, Mommy, I don't know what to do. I do not know what to do. I have never seen this before. And I couldn't say anything right there because it was not going to end well. And so my mother gave me instructions and I followed her instructions. I emailed the professor. I said, Professor, I wanted to let you know that so-and-so, he turned in work that was not agreed upon by myself and my other group member. I forwarded him the email that I sent to our group member that had the agreed upon paper and said, this is what we gave to him. Now, the professor, what ended up happening was that he reviewed what was submitted by our group member, and he reviewed what we forwarded to our group member for review and submission. And he said, these two projects are not even the same. And so in short, because we had two separate assignments, in our case, the professor allowed for our first project to carry more weight than the second project that was submitted. And the professor dealt with the individual, the group member who submitted the work that we did not approve of